ATV's network affiliate NBC will be airing the Miss Universe pageant on January 25th, 2015 live. Digene Zimmerman is Aruba's representation. Let's learn more about the candidate with the official Miss Universe interview.
Hi, Digene Zimmerman, Paradera, Miss Universe Aruba. Aruba is known for their beautiful beaches and it's just so nice. It relaxes you, you know, it's warm. People come to our place just to enjoy the beaches. I was born in Holland and then we moved to Curacao because my father is from Curacao and my mother is from Aruba. When I was 12 years old, we moved to Aruba. Growing up in different places, I've learned so much about every country I've been to. My family is a very happy family, very humble. We enjoy each other's company. I really miss them right now. I have a passion for dogs. I really someday want to open my own animal shelter. It's actually amazing because every time I walk a dog, like for 20 minutes, it's like my relaxing time. I love to sing, but it's a hidden passion, so not everybody in Aruba knows that, but I really love it. I usually do karaoke. My personality, I'm very spontaneous, I'm a happy person, I'm very determined. So if I really want something, I'll go for it. My expectations of Miss Universe are very high. I want to grow more as a person, I want to be more focused and try to fight for the crown.
All the best to Digene.